how should we start with machine learning? Should we start like with our regular Scrum-based process by doing insight, doing design, development and release and repeat this in iteration? And the answer is it's not exactly the same with machine learning. With machine learning it's slightly different. You should rather start with a question, a very concrete question, so that you know when you find an answer and whether you are answering a correct question. Once you have this question, then you should look around for a data that might help you to find an answer for this data. And once you have this data, you can start a process of cleaning that data, process of finding features called feature engineering. Then you finally can build a model, which is a way of learning machine. And you can look around different types of model, but in general, that's the core of machine learning, to find the correct model to train it with this data. And once you have this model, you have to start using this in production. And with this process being mostly linear, you have to think about iterating this. Often you will find that the model you have trained is not as good as you have expected. You might find that the results you have in a production are changing over time and the model has to be retrained. So this process is also iterative, as with standard software development process. Machine learning can also be used in digital service platforms. It will not replace it, it will rather add in value. So machine learning, AI and any type of automation which can be built with those tools can support those platforms by introducing some intelligence. Either it can be a recommendation system or it can support segmentation of the customers. It can help not only customers but also editors and the people who maintain the system. For example, we can have an automated labeling of the products based on its name, so we can reduce time that we need for editors to work on it. So both front-end and back-end part can be supported with machine learning.